Hi, I'm Ian. Welcome to our tutorial of the Downhill Lane Junction, turning right third exit to head north towards the Testos Roundabout. Heading towards South Shields, Tyne Tunnel, A19 north. As the road widens, stay to the right. Foot off the gas, slow down. The right lane is the only lane that turns right. Continuing to indicate right. As you pass the second exit, look left, then indicate left and spiral into the left lane. Remember 40 miles per hour. We're going to turn right, third exit at the Testos Roundabout, following the A184 towards Sunderland North and Bolden. So we are now planning how to achieve this. The road is splitting into 4 separate lanes. To turn right, we need to plan how to safely move to the right. Check drivers and right door mirror, followed by the right blind spot. Indicate right and move over if it is safe to do so. Check the right blind spot and continue to indicate right. Move all the way to the far right lane when safe. Right, third exit. Sunderland North, Bolden, A184 East. Make progress, continuing to indicate to the right. Count your exits. At the second exit, we will check our left blind spot, indicate left, then spiral into the left lane. Continue to indicate left until you have left the junction, then make progress to the next roundabout. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe for all of our latest productions.